What up, guys? So we're right here. We got an Applewhite. We got a first come first serve, and we're just setting up our tent right now. We're setting up our mattress, putting down our carpet. I came with my nephew and some of my kids, so we're just gonna chill and set up and get it going. Say what's up. Yeah, so it was raining pretty crazy, and I kind of chilled a little bit, but it's starting up again. But we're just trying to set everything up so we get the hot stuff going and get our cooking started. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. All right, guys, so the rain's starting to pick up a little bit, but luckily we got this tent set up already. We got a tarp, and I'm about to inflate our mattress and our little couch. So let me show you guys how. All right, so the Alcatel generator, my bed right here. We got the bed, and we're gonna start to sucker up. So we got enough juice, 94%. We're gonna get this sucker up. We're gonna switch it to AC and plug this sucker in. All right, y'all, so we got the couch set up. We got the bed set up over there. And we're about to get our sheets, get the blankets going, set up the hot stove. And yeah, almost get ready to start cooking. So
yeah.
heck yeah, guys. Applewhite.
Yep.
A little rain camping. I don't know if you guys can hear it out there.
It's so fun.
Coming down pretty good right now, so
Guys.
yeah, so let's get the party started, y'all. So I got my nephew and three of my kids, the boys, and my baby girl. Couldn't leave her behind. She loves camping. So I got the hot stove going. We're just chilling. Everybody being loud, hanging out. And we're just gonna get a little snack going. So let's do it, y'all. So we're just chilling, hanging out, having a little snack. The rain looked like it's kind of stopped, so we're just enjoying it, having the fire on, playing a little Super Nintendo, waiting for it to get a little darker so we can start cooking the steaks. A little bit of mashed potato, a little bit of green beans with some broccoli, and watch a little scary movie, y'all. Let's do it. Right? Having fun or what?
Yep.
Having some snacks, y'all. Just chilling. Got hit up. This is our first rain camp, actually. You know, the boys wanted to come along. They didn't want me to come alone. So we just posted.
Yep. We got some good corn.
Yeah.
This is my second bowl already.
Damn, second bowl. That's two, y'all. He's grubbing. I hope you're going to leave the room for your steak. But yeah, guys, let's keep it going. What up, y'all? I'm just chilling. Kids are playing some Super Nintendo, and it's pouring outside, y'all. I don't know if you can hear it.
That's only me that playing Nintendo.
It's raining super hard. So we got the wood burning. We got the hot stove going. We're feeling pretty warm, feeling pretty good. And we're just relaxing, enjoying the rain. So it's coming down. Hopefully it's not coming down this hard in the morning when we gotta pack everything up. Jeez, it's pretty nice. First time rain camping, so I'm having a good time. I'm enjoying it. And looking forward to doing it again. But yeah, guys. Catch you guys later. Alright, y'all. It's about 10:30. And I woke up pretty early. It was raining pretty hard last night, so we kind of waited for the rain to die down. But damn, I forgot to put on the camera while I was putting everything away. So everything's already been put away. So again, this is Applewhite Campgrounds in Lytle Creek. First come, first serve site, open to November. So I wanted to do some rain camping. Brought it out, had the hot stove, had the TV, had a movie, some Nintendo games, you know, hanging out with the family. And it was a really good time. Easy camp to get to, low elevation, and pretty clean. Has restrooms, porta potties, and had a really good time, guys. So I forgot to actually do the breakdown, but yeah, guys. So camping with the stars. This is X. It might be a little short video, but hope you guys enjoy it. So I just got so busy with the kiddos and doing everything that I didn't really get to film too much. So kind of missed out a little bit, I think, on the filming, but I had a good time. Had a great time. Thanks for coming along. And yeah, guys, let's start rocking and rolling. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya.